Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to remove all of your prior Spotify downloads, or basically undownload, in a certain sense, songs that you have downloaded to your device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. How to clear up some space on your phone, whether it's an iOS or Android device. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is sign into Spotify and select your user icon up at the top left. Go down and select where it says Settings and Privacy. And now you want to select where it says Data Saving and Offline. And then scroll down underneath where it says Remove All Downloads. Remove all the Spotify content you've downloaded to free up space. Select Remove, and that's all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.